if you want to know about how I turned from an average, meek, insecure girl into a confident PhD holder and went on to teach at Canadian University and Polytech, please keep on watching. These are the books that helped me get a hold on my life, be confident, and to go after success. In this video, I wish to share the top 5 personal development books that have helped me achieve desired results, adapt to change, and gain a broader perspective on my life to deal with dismal and disappointing circumstances and to stay focused on my goals. Without further ado, let's get into the first one. The first book that I want to talk about is How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book is an all-time classic and it has helped me learn how to communicate with others, to establish lasting relationships, and most importantly, to convince others and persuade them to understand my viewpoint better and to agree with what I have to say. I read this book 2 decades ago, but it truly helped me in understanding how to communicate with others, the importance of building and sustaining relationships, how I could broaden my network of friends and colleagues in order to be successful. The next book that I want to talk about is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So we need to communicate with others and we need to build relationships with others, but we also need to do something about our mindset, to think, to enhance our way of thinking and broaden our perspective. Philosophy in the book is how you can achieve whatever it is that you want in the world, provided you think and act and strategize. And lastly, to know that it all begins in here, that is in the mind. The way we think, the way we perceive, the way we create our reality. The third book that I truly want to recommend is Who Moved My Cheese. Now this is a very small book. It will hardly take you 20 minutes to read this. For me, it is a must read for all professionals, students, academicians. It has been a book that has helped me deal with a number of changing circumstances. I moved from India to Canada. I had to adapt to change. Had I not read this book, it would have been really difficult for me. I have changed multiple jobs and moved on or climbed the ladder of success. And at each organization and institution, I had to deal with change. And the only thing that's constant in life is change. So whether it's your personal life or your professional life, if you can adapt to change, you can take advantage of the changing opportunities, you can sense the change and know when it's time to move on. If we resist change, if we fear change, we won't be able to be successful because life is ever changing. And this book helps acquire the maturity to understand that change is a way of life and that we should embrace change rather than fear it and try to make the best of the changing circumstances. So this is the book that I truly recommend. It will hardly take you 20 minutes. The story is in the form of a parable, and I really truly feel that if you haven't read this book, and if you have to and want to read just one book, let it be this one. Moving on, we come to the fourth book. This book is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Now this book has inspired me in a number of ways. First, it gave me an opportunity to acquire the habits of successful people and emulate the way in which they planned their lives, they prioritized, managed their time, and became successful. The part in which the author talks about the time quadrant and the designation of tasks into most important, most urgent, It helped me to prioritize my tasks and also to understand the importance of time and manage it well so as to be successful. So, to be proactive, think win-win, synergize, to understand the importance of honing my skills and beginning with the end in mind. The next book is The Leader's Guide to Influence, How to Use Soft Skills to Get Hard Results. Now this book is about leadership skills, but it also talks about how to hone your soft skills, how to acquire the soft skills that are necessary in order to be successful. The part about the book is it teaches all this with the form of practical exercises and a very straightforward attitude. Now we move to the sixth book. This is a bonus book. I thought I should include it in the list because it is really important and a must read. In fact, if you haven't, I think you should go ahead and read it. So the sixth book, the bonus book, is You Can Win by Shiv Khera. Now it talks about winning strategies and the fact that in order to be a winner, you should have a pyramid of people supporting you, and it is always a bottom-up approach rather than a top-down approach. It helps you to be successful by mastering the 7 steps of positive thinking, and it inspires you to understand and apply the winning strategies that will not only make you successful in the professional world but also in the real world. It also helps you to take charge by controlling your emotions rather than becoming a victim of them. So these were my top recommendations. For more such videos on motivation, inspiration, beauty, life and health, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Ciao!